I can't run too fast, otherwise you might fall over. You want to go try?
Yeah! That was you!
What are we going to do now, Layla?
Under the waterfall! I'm so excited.
It's a bit... No, let's just walk. The waterfall causes a bit of wind, but it's all good. Are we... Stay with Daddy, hoppa.
Yeah!
Are we really going to go into the waterfall?
Yeah!
Hold on tight, look it. We're going, Layla. Look at us. We're in the waterfall. Are you ready, waterfall? Bam on the head. Woo! Whoa! Wow, Layla! Big waterfall on the head. That was amazing. Wow!
Wow!
Are we ready again?
Yeah!
Hold on tight. It's going to bomb you on the helmet, but it's okay. Are we ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1. Waterfall! Woohoo! Bomby, bomby! Wow! Now let's get some gummy bears.
Yeah!